Do you want to regrow your hair? You want to thicken up your hair? You want to revive your thinning hair? You want to grow your hair buzz, grow your crown section hair, and you have tried a lot of things, they are not working for you, and you have decided to give up on your hair growth journey? Please don't give up yet. In today's video, I bring to you this good news, this herbal tea spray that will help you to solve your hair problem, that will help you to grow that hair buzz, thicken up your hair, grow your hair speedily, give you voluminous hair and healthy hair, and grow your hair within in a short period of time. Keep on watching. Watch this video to the end. My first ingredient is ginger. I will make use of fresh ginger. If you have dry ginger or powder one, you can also make use of it. So I've already washed my ginger thoroughly. I will use this grater to start grating it. I don't like peeling off the back of my ginger because the back is also having own good benefit also on your hair. So I will use this grater now to grate it. Ginger help improve blood circulation to the scalp, stimulates hair growth and hair follicles, promotes longer, thicker, healthy hair, contribute to strengthen your hair strands, reduce hair fall and hair shedding, contribute to restore moisture back to your hair, and also speeding up your hair growth. So after grating the ginger, this is what I got so far. So moving on to the next step now, I will pour this into my pot. My second ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. If you also have fresh one, you can also make use of it. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of this rosemary leaf. Rosemary is very effective for promoting hair growth, prevents hair loss and thinning hair, also help to restore shine to the hair, remove product buildup. After adding the rosemary, next I'll pour in my water because I'm going to boil this. I did not pour too much water as you can see. So I'm going to boil this off camera. I'll boil it 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's 5 to 7 minutes mark, I will bring it down. So I boil it up to 7 minutes. So this is how it is. I just bring it down from fire. So I'm going to allow this to cool down. I will leave it for here for up to 4 to 5 hours for it to cool down, and also for the ginger and the rosemary to also extract more into the water. So after 5 to 4 hours, I will grab my, it already cooled down, so I will use my shifter. You can use your shift cloth or wig cap or stocking, whatever you have to strain this. Use it and your bowl to collect your herbal tea. So after then, I will transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. But please, warning, if you don't want to grow your hair speedily fast, if you don't want to regrow your hair, you don't want your hair to be too thick for you to handle, please do not use this herbal tea, because this herbal tea will grow your hair extremely faster. This herbal tea, there's no joke on this herbal tea. This herbal tea is very potent. It's only but 2 ingredients, but very powerful and potent. So please, if you really want to grow that hair, regrow your hair, grow your edges, thicken up your hair, grow your hair buzz, this herbal tea is for you. Consistent of using this herbal tea, you're going to see a great result on your hair growth. Use this as a leave-in treatment for you to see the effective results on this, for you to see the powerful of this herbal tea. Leave this herbal tea on your hair. Don't rinse it out. Do not wash this out. Leave it on your hair to sit on your hair. You can use this herbal tea daily on your scalp for scalp massaging. If your hair is low porosity and you want to make this herbal tea, please make sure that you warm it before you apply it on your hair, because it will help to open your cuticles. You know, low porosity hair, our cuticles is so close. So warming up this tea, making this tea a little bit warm before you apply it on your hair, will also help to activate the power of this herbal tea on your hair. Please don't rinse this herbal tea out of your hair. Once you apply it, follow up with your leave-in condition. Do not just apply it without applying your leave-in condition and your oil. You can use this herbal tea every day. you can do challenge of this on this herbal tea. For 2 weeks you're going to see a great result. Guys, I'm not kidding. This is a must try. The result you're going to see on using this herbal tea consistently, you'll be marvel at the results. This herbal tea have helped me a lot in growing my hair. As you can see beginning of this video, that's how my hair was and that's my hair is now. Honestly speaking, herbal teas is amazing. They work so magically. Some people say herbal tea do not work on them because you may be using them on wrong way. If you use herbal tea in a correct way, I kid you not, you must see a great result. Please, one of those herbal tea that helped me to have this beautiful healthy hair is this herbal tea. Also, please, whenever you use it, give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Massaging your scalp will help to activate this herbal tea on your hair. It will help to stimulate hair growth. And also, if you want to regrow your edges, also apply this. Any of your hair area you want to regrow, apply this on that area consistent for straight 2 weeks. You must see a great change on that particular section of your hair. And also, if your hair is thin, your hair is weak, use this herbal tea on your hair. You will see a great result on your hair. I want to get a testimony on this herbal tea. This herbal tea work. This herbal tea work like magic. Guys, I'm not joking. A trial will convince you. Please, if today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Do not make it your last. Join this beautiful family by subscribing. And once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. In the channel, I teach how to grow your hair with natural home remedies. Grow your hair healthy, longer and fuller. Please join this family. You're not going to regret it. Okay, thank you and welcome into the family. My returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. I do not take you guys on granted. You guys are the best. Thank you for that massive support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I love you all. Please, if you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps YouTube to put this video to more audience, and also it helps the growth of the channel. And also, please share this video to your family and friends. You may be helping 1 or 2 persons out there. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.